Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to restore USB drive back to default mode or reset USB drive. Input your USB drive on your computer. Go to search options, type run. Open run and type disk part. Then click OK. Now type list disk and press enter. See here showing my all disk. Disk 3 is my USB drive I want to restore in default mode this drive. Now type select disk 3 and press enter, make sure your disk which one. Now type clean and press enter. Now type create partition primary and press enter. After finishing all command type exit and press enter. See partition created successfully. Now go to your USB drive and format it. I hope your USB drive restore in default mode. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.